This is Chris from Fabtech. Today we're going to be replacing a hydraulic cylinder inside of Piranha P-50. So you have to get that lined up right there, that pins up with the member. And then we get the hoses on so I can expand this out so I can get it into this hole right here. And once we do that, we should be able to get everything going. Let's get started on that. Alright, let's get back over here on this side. This place is not a safe working environment, but we'll do what we can. Take these fittings on, put it on here, tighten up these fittings. Alright, well, we got it in there, but they're gonna have to figure it out for us because they disassemble this machine. That's as far as we go. Thanks, choose Fabtech, and like, share, subscribe, and have a great day.